Hi everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. You can visit us at peachesskincare.com, and I also invite you to follow us on Instagram or Facebook to see a little bit more about our holistic beliefs in skincare and how we can help you. If you're just tuning in, I am almost 55 years old. I don't wear any foundation or concealer. I only have mascara on and lip gloss. And I really try to keep things real. I have done nothing invasive to my skin. And yes, I mention that a lot because I want you to know that when you come here, I am showing you what really and true aging and beauty is. My goal is to change the story on aging. I believe in the term wabi-sabi. It is the Japanese word for embracing the imperfections of life in things and in aging, and feeling confident and feeling good. I thought today we would do another review on a celebrity skincare line. And unlike a lot of the other YouTubers or social media people, I don't have negativity about celebrity skincare lines. I think that they have access to things that we don't. Many of them have the funds to be able to make some really great lines. And yeah, there are some that are really bad, and I'll let you know if they are, with love and kindness. Victoria Beckham did a line, and it's with Augusta Spadar, and I want to tell you about a couple of the products. There's really only a couple products, but first I want to tell you the great things about them, or about Victoria. Victoria is a woman who is all about consistency. She is very regimented. She's regimented in how she exercises, how she eats, and all of those things, including taking care of her skin, is why she is aging so well. Now, I don't know Victoria. I don't know if she does Botox or anything like that, but if there's one thing I do know, just because she looks beautiful at her age does not necessarily mean she's done all those things. I really believe that what you eat, how you take care of your body, how you take care of your skin is reflective on how you age. And Victoria does look the same as she did when she was much younger, only maybe brighter and, you know, more mature. I love the Beckhams because they have a wonderful foundation where they provide wheelchairs to young people that need them and maybe can't afford them. And that goes after my own heart because when our little guy was a little boy, he needed a wheelchair. They didn't provide it at that time, but I know what it felt like to be a young parent and not have your insurance cover it and need that help. And I just really love that they've found that. They do a lot of other things. Victoria is a national spokesperson for oh gosh, I think it's, oh gosh, it just, this happens to me. It goes out of my head. I think it's UNICEF, and I love that. She works very closely with AIDS and children around the world, and I love celebrities that put their time and money to good use. She believes in facials. When she was young, she had bad acne, she had scar tissue. When she sang with the Spice Girls, my daughter loved the Spice Girls when she was a little girl. And she found that when she started taking care of her skin, I think she did a 5-step routine in the morning and a 6-step routine at night, and I'm all about steps and all about regime. She saw a difference, and she gives a lot of acknowledgement to getting facials. So I love all of that. What don't I like? Really, there's only one thing I don't like, the term clean beauty. I'm just not a fan of that. I do feel like those of us who make skincare do like you to know that our products, our ingredients are clean, meaning no fillers, or we use, for instance, blueberries where we're very aware of any pesticides and things used. But the problem is that clean beauty has become this marketing term, and so it's really thrown around a lot. I think the cost is extensive. However, unlike other people, I believe you get what you pay for. I know what it costs to make a product. I know what it costs for me to get good coffee or blueberries or pomegranate. So I understand what that entails. And so for me, if it works, if it lasts a while, if it's small batched, I think that sometimes the product is worth it. Now, there are 2 products, and you might see me turn to the right a little bit because I want to make sure I get the right names. Celery Rejuvenating Power Serum, and then there's a primer moisturizer, and then a primer moisturizer without color. So the serum, first thing. They have an ingredient called TFC8, and essentially this is synthesized vitamins or high grade vitamins, and they're synthesized molecules found in your skin. So TFC8, natural amino acids and high-grade vitamins, synthesized molecules found in your skin. So that's what they're claiming. I do think that you can put wonderful things on your skin that mimic what's going on in our bodies and our skin cells. So hey, if that's the case, I think that's wonderful. Panthenol, niacinamide, yeast extract. These are all wonderful things. Radish root. Many times people will use radish root to act as an ingredient that helps the product to stay stable. The problem is that when many times radish root is used, they find that fungus and bacteria still does grow. And there are lots of studies on that. So I'm not sure if they're using radish root for that purpose, or if they've put radish root in as an extract that acts as an antioxidant. I find this next ingredient to be really interesting because we just had it with J-Lo, olive oil. Victoria Beckham loves olive oil, and I have olive oil on my skin right now. I love olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil has squalene in it, and it is an amazing antioxidant. So I thought that was really interesting that that was in her serum. So the ingredients look good to me. I don't see a lot of fillers. I don't see fragrance. They look great. I don't know what goes on behind the doors. I don't know if they're listing their full ingredients list. Yes, that is a problem in the beauty industry, but I think that it looks fairly good. Now, what do I not like about the primer moisturizer? Again, we've got some good ingredients. We've got black tea, papaya, algae extract, papain or papaya I use in my products, avocado oil, which I found, again, very interesting. The problem I have is when they add color to a moisturizer. We know from different studies that when you add sunscreen to your moisturizer or color to your moisturizer, you take a moisturizer that, in my beliefs, after over 35 years as a master esthetician taking care of hundreds of thousands of skin, you want your moisturizer to be like face food and vitamins for the skin. When you go and you add color or you add SPFs or chemicals, you really change that food. You change that apple because you've added negative things to it, like a pesticide. And that's really my belief. Now, some people may not agree, but I absolutely agree with this because I have seen where when we take a client off a foundation, their skin changes incredibly within days. So I don't love that they add a color primer to their moisturizer. Now, there's also a moisturizer, I think they still call it a primer, that has no color, and I think that's great. So overall, I think that this product, and I know I'm a little late doing it, I think it came out in 2019. I think the lady, Victoria Beckham, is a fashion icon. She is an amazing, beautiful woman. I think that they have incredible charitable contributions to society, and I love that. I do think it's expensive, but as I said, I think what you get, what you pay for. As far as the products, I think they look really good. But I also think you could go into your kitchen, and so many people fight me on this, pour some extra virgin olive oil on, put it on your face, and you would feel just as amazing for less money. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you liked this review. Please comment with love and kindness, or don't comment at all. And please subscribe to these videos. Stay beautiful naturally.